Hey everyone, in today's video I wanted to go over some important differences between Zano and chains like Ethereum or other public blockchains. So for example, everyone that's using USDT or USDC on Ethereum and sending them around the world, the entire world can see exactly who sent how much money and who they sent it to and when they sent it and everything about it. Whereas on Zano, if you send a token on Zano, nobody even knows what token was transacted in. They don't know how many you sent, they don't know who it came from, they don't know who it went to, they don't know anything about it at all. All they can see by looking at the Zano blockchain is that some sort of a transaction happened. They don't know if it was for USDT or if it was for wrapped Bitcoin or wrapped Ethereum or latest meme coin. They have no idea which token was transacted in it at all. So it gives you much better privacy than using one of these public blockchains. And part of why this is so important is that we're seeing more and more people around the world coming into trouble because they provide their KYC documents to an exchange. The exchange gets hacked, and then these criminals now have these people's names and home addresses and phone numbers and pictures, and they'll show up at their house and do horrible things to these people. So if you want to be safe while using a cryptocurrency, you have to use a cryptocurrency that has privacy built in. So Zano is a fantastic example of that, and all the tokens that are possible on Zano have the same privacy as the Zano base token itself. So if you want to get started protecting your financial privacy and your privacy in the world, go ahead and get started with Zano at zanolist.com.